I visit this Poland for 3 days, 2 nights to develop our strong relationship between Indonesia and Polandia, especially in trade and investment. And we hope after our visit here, we can make our relation more strong and stronger again for the next future.
Barybicka shopping center is the biggest shopping center in this part of Warsaw. And welcome. Thank you. Kita bermain
bisa bertahan tanpamu. Siapa yang bilang tak bisa bernafas tanpamu? Pasti dia salah dengar atau salah baca koran. Siapa yang bilang tak bisa hidup tanpamu? Siapa yang bilang ku tak bisa?
Riki.
Ada
Riki Rahmadi nih cocok nih. Besar sekali. Big size.
Oh di sini ya?
Pernah.
Dari Bandung.
Saya jual durian juga, Bos.
Waduh, ada papaya. Durian mana? Thailand.
Ya. Siapa yang bilang? Siapa yang bilang? Oh, sure they are wrong but me. They are wrong but me. Kekuasaan, kekuatan, keindahan dan kekayaan itu milikmu. Milikmu. Bukan milikku, bukan miliknya. Bukan milik mereka, bukan milik kami. Milikmu.
Mau yang
Hidup ini milikmu. Ini milikmu, hidup ini.
Saya nggak boleh ngasih ini kan?
Saya aja sih nggak mau. Jangan kan dia Pak.
Saya kan nggak bisa kasih yang ini dong.
Indonesia. One more.
Absolutely, of
Then we
course.
can put Indonesian furniture and Indonesian food.
Yes, I took more, so maybe.
Yeah.
Nike made Indonesia.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah. According to me, I prefer. Generally, my wife, since a few years, she's looking. No, Chinese. No, thank you. Indonesian.
Ah, thank you very much.
Hidup ini milikmu.
Yeah.
Oke.
Yang terhormat Bapak Menteri Perdagangan, Bapak Rahmat Gobel, yang terhormat para anggota Dewan Perwakilan Rakyat, dan Ketua Komisi 6, Pak Hafiz, selamat datang. Sesudah Dwiki main, orang Polandia bilang, udah maju negara Indonesia karena udah bisa baca not balok katanya. Jadi semoga saja Pak Arief, ini saya nodong ini semua, Pak Arief, semoga Garuda bisa kerjasama dengan LOT. Nanti Garuda akan terbang dari Jakarta ke Beijing dan dari Beijing ke Warsawa dengan LOT. Siapa tahu itu merupakan step pertama sebelum Bapak langsung terbang Garuda ke sini. Gitu, tepuk tangan untuk Pak Hari. Jadi juga hari ini kita akan memperlihatkan Pak bagaimana kita menghubungkan Barat dan Timur secara modern melalui Diki dan teman-temannya. Oleh sebab itu mohon perkenannya mereka akan nanti mempertunjukkan apa yang mereka lakukan. Mohon kiranya Pak Rahmat, Pak Menteri berkenan untuk memberikan sepatah dua kata. Dan kalau ada kekurangan di dalam penyambutan dari bapak-bapak ibu sekalian, mohon disalahkan staf KBRI. Saya nggak ngerti apa-apa. Mereka yang atur semua.
Arif bilang, aduh untung Pak Peter bukan Menlu. Kalau Garuda mesti terbang ke semua kota.
Semua duta besar.
Baik, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Duta Besar Republik Indonesia untuk Polandia Pak Peter Gonta, yang saya hormati Ketua Komisi 6 DPR RI Bapak Hafiz dan Pak Eka yang hadir di Polandia ini juga, para dirjen, rekan-rekan dari Kadin, para pimpinan redaksi media baik elektronik maupun cetak yang ikut hadir pada hari ini. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera kita sekalian. Puji syukur kepada Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, Tuhan Yang Maha Esa. Hari ini kita sangat bergembira dan bersyukur akhirnya bisa datang ke Polandia juga, ke bawah sawah. Setelah Pak Peter yang kita kenal seorang yang cukup ahli dalam bisa mempromosikan marketing ya, seorang marketing yang unggul, marketer yang unggul, yang membuat akhirnya kita memutuskan harus datang ke Polandia. Bayangkan Pak, yang saya terkagum-kagum setelah beliau datang menjelaskan tentang Polandia. Kunjungan kedua tidak saya ketahui. Yang saya tahu adalah buah apel yang dibawa ke kantor saya. Ini benar-benar kejadian. Saya kaget, saya punya sekretaris taruh apel di meja saya. Kok tumben kamu bawain apel ke saya? Ini dari Pak Dubes. Dubes siapa? Dubes Polandia, Pak Peter. Mana orangnya? Udah pulang Pak. Coba, luar biasa kan? Begitu humble-nya beliau, kita berikan tepuk tangan. Emang apelnya luar biasa. Dan memang target itu suruh import dari Polandia ke Indonesia. Akhirnya saya minta tolong Pak Partogi, nggak ada ya. Saya minta coba dipertimbangkan bisa nggak, apalagi kita memang surplus dengan Polandia. Tapi saya gembira Pak Peter bilang harus naik, memang dia naik 100%, kita naik 300%. Naik 300%. Jangan 60% Pak, 300% target Bapak Pak. Tapi Pak Peter, seperti yang dikatakan Pak Kris, memang saya cukup kagum juga negara ini ternyata memberikan impresi yang kesan yang cukup positif, sangat baik.
But the minister asked if the group can perform in Milan at the Indonesian Pavilion at the Expo.
Okay.
Okay?
We are ready.
Karena rombongan saya ini hari ini ada yang ulang tahun.
Yeah.
Wow. Pak Bahrul. Pak Bahrul juga. Isinya depan semuanya. Ini Pak Roni, dia jago nyanyi, coba mainkan dulu. Pak Baru masih mau jadi pimpin nggak? Masih.
Jadi grogi dah.
Main di Milan, Pak. Main di Milan. Cium tangan. Baru.
Kau membayangkan diriku.
Pagi-pagi udah langsung ledek Pak Fahri aja.
Chris, bagaimana Pak Dubes coba? Kita di kerangkeng betulan sama beliau nih.
Bahrul suruh pindah ke sini tuker.
Ya.
Tambah duit juga boleh loh.
Ya kita maunya semua Pemret sama kita dong. Ya, selamat pagi semua. Pagi. Everybody go to school.
Follow the leader.
Ya, kita mesti ambil dulu buat ini karena kalau
Halo, Pak.
terima kasih.
Sini aja kamu.
Pagi. Selamat pagi.
Aman.
Pagi.
Masih berobat jalan. Masih berobat.
Oh, Chris. Pagi.
Rivalitas.
Pagi, Ros. Thank you ya, semua beres. Good morning, Chief Editors.
Pagi, Pak. Pagi.
Good morning,
Ambassador Peter Gonta.
Ya,
Ambassador of Jazz.
ya.
The founders of televisi private television Indonesia.
Itu.
Pak Peter.
Halo, Pak Peter. Morning. Good morning.
Tapi jumlahnya dia nggak bisa gede kalau untuk bukan, dia itemnya banyak.
Subsidi kita kena ini, orang kita pohon kita itu 3 tahun bisa dipanen di sana.
Kita bicara nasional Gimana Polandia?
Incredible. So most of the people thinking that Poland is look like mostly of the Eastern Europe country, but in fact I know that this is untrue. Most of them are fitnah about Polandia.
Luar biasa. 100% 100 buat Pak Dubes.
Nah, itu dia.
Ya kan? Karena dari mulai kita masuk, apa yang beliau ceritakan bagaimana bagusnya Polandia, ternyata benar. Sangat luar biasa, kita perlu kasih apresiasi. Hanya hari ini agak turun dari 100. Terlampau jauh perjalanannya.
Ini makan siang kita. Kita belum tentu makan siang, udah makan siang nih.
Bilang lah.
Very good. Profesi beliau.
Pak Dubes ini luar biasa. Membawa kemajuan Indonesia ke Polandia. Teruskan Pak, lanjutkan Pak. Stop.
Kau mengharap aku ada. Pernahkah kau sadari aku merasa? Pernahkah kau tahu rasa itu untukmu? Sayangku kepadamu apa adanya. Harapku kepadamu agar kau tahu.
Yes, okay.
Ingin ku kau tahu dengan sendirinya.
Especially for you.
Especially for us, ya.
Dengan bimbang yang membebani, ku buang jauh semua di hati. Tapi tak lama kembali lagi. Ku hibur diri, menekan asa bahwa ini hanya perasaan sesaat. Mungkinkah ada benarnya kata hatiku bila ku mencoba lagi?
Sorry, no cameraman, so I have to make myself.
Mungkinkah ku takkan kecewa andai bukan.
And on the right side, you see the shipyard area. Gdynia was very famous for many years with shipbuilding. And the shipyard of Gdynia, which was a big state-owned company, built very big vessels, container vessels, also gas carriers, Ro-Ro. And nowadays there is also shipyard industry, but smaller companies, private companies. Now in Poland they build vessels, but smaller vessels. For example, vessels specialized in offshore industry. And Poland is quite strong in the ships repair.
Hello, welcome everybody. Welcome to Baltic Container Terminal in Gdynia. The terminal here is located in the port of Gdynia for more than 13 years, but since 2003 the concession to operate the terminal was won by Filipino global port operator. On the right side we see first vessel Tallinn, which is the feeder vessel. The next vessel is a bigger one.
This is a Mediterranean shipping company. It's the carrier number 2 in the world. The carrier number 1 is Maersk, and there is also number 3 is in Hutchison's terminal. It's CMA CGM.
Those two cranes you see right now are a very new one. They've been purchased this year. Those cranes had been built in China. We are going around another type of cranes. They are called RTG. You see those cranes have tired wheels, so they can freely move around the yard, operate and handling the cranes. Yes, now we are going in the middle of the container stack. From the near, you see the size of.
We can feel here like in the thriller movie.
Yes.
Yes, on the right side we see the wagons with the loaded containers, and far behind we see another type of crane, which is primarily used for intermodal operation. So on the left side we can see thermotanks, which are special type of containers that are built one purpose to ship liquid materials like tarmac.
Here in the BCT there is a big turnover of containers transported by rail, because it is close even to 40%. It is 37% of containers last year was transported by rail. Why? Because the rail in Poland is more and more competitive now. There is a big process of modernization of the whole multimodal system in Poland, and also there are many containers, heavy containers, and because of some restriction on the road, the forwarders prefer, even when it is slightly more expensive, to use rail.
Lakukan misi perdagangan. Terima kasih. Baik, Pak. Agak delay ya.
Under the initiative of the Minister of Foreign Affairs, the Indonesian Minister of Foreign Affairs, we took advantage of the presence of the Indonesian Minister of Trade to be here in the area, which is Eastern and Central Europe. So what we did is we conducted a video conference while the Director General of the Indonesian Foreign Affairs Department, Mr. Trianjani, led the video conference where all the ambassadors in the region to which country they were accredited, and these were ambassadors in Denmark, in Sweden, in Finland, in Norway, ambassadors in Latvia, Estonia, Lithuania, Slovakia, Czech Republic, also Ukraine, also Vienna, Romania. So all those ambassadors were on the video conference, and we are basically discussing with the Minister of Trade, asking his directions and the complaints that the ambassadors actually.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bisa didengar suaranya?
Baik Pak, Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya, gambar dan suara sudah kami dengar, terima kasih Pak.
But the focus was basically on trade between Indonesia and each particular country where they were accredited to. Also, what was discussed, issues with the maritime diplomacy, to which where we actually have certain goals to achieve in this year. Also, the tourism diplomacy and the social and cultural diplomacy.
Saya akan laporkan itu. Terima kasih terhadap kunjungan ini. Mestinya Pak Menteri Perdagangan itu jangan menganggap kami senior, tapi ini adalah kepentingan untuk veteran kita ini. Pasti. Supaya kunjungan juga kita diperahkan Pak. Terima kasih.
Insya Allah Pak.
Semangat bekerja untuk kepentingan Merah Putih dan NKRI Pak.
Amin. Insya Allah.
So we were discussing a lot of issues as to what we can expect from the government and what the government is actually expecting from us. And every ambassador got a chance to actually discuss issues with the Minister of Trade.
Szanowny Panie Ministrze, Ekscelencje, Szanowni Panie Ambasadorze, drodzy parlamentarzyści.
Mr. Minister, Excellencies, Mr. Ambassador, dear members of Parliament.
Bardzo się cieszę, witam w polskim parlamencie, w polskim Ministerstwie Gospodarki.
It is my great pleasure to welcome you all at the Polish Ministry of Economy.
Tym bardziej, że spotykamy się po bardzo udanej misji do Indonezji, pani minister Henslewskiej.
Even more so that we are meeting here in the wake of Madam Henslewska's most successful mission to Indonesia.
Panie ministrze, pragnę serdecznie podziękować za świetnego ambasadora Indonezji w Polsce.
Mr. Minister, I wish to explain my gratitude for the excellent ambassador of Indonesia in Poland. I believe that His Excellency certainly brings a certain livelihood into our relations, as it is our desire to intensify our cooperation, to break through and bring down the barriers and obstacles, as we are not as far as one might seem when looking at the map of the world.
Także cieszę się, że pańska wizyta przypada w dobrym czasie dla Polski.
Therefore, it is my great pleasure that your visit takes place in such a good time for Poland. We've had a very good economic year behind us.
Wow. This is a lot of people, a lot of guests. It's incredible. First of all, thank you for accepting our invitation. Minister of Trade, Mr. Ahmad Kobel, Undersecretary of Trade, Madam Kasina, Chairman of the Indonesian House of Representatives, Commission 6, Mr. Thohir. We need a lot of help from him. The Chamber of Commerce of Poland, the Chamber of Commerce of Indonesia, Mr. Chris Kante, my dear friends, the Indonesian media, who came here and who are probably representing 70% of the most influential media in Indonesia, the Indonesian media. Delegates, distinguished guests, good afternoon. I do thank you very much for being here. This is, to me, this is a big and great surprise to see so many of you and to see almost every seat being taken. This is going to be over my budget. But I love this. I love this. I don't mind paying something more over my budget to see the enthusiasm about everybody that is here. I have the president of Garuda here, Indonesian Airlines, and I have the director of Lot Airlines here. How is that? And we have big companies here, so thank you very much. We have also some of our Japanese partners who are here from Seito and from Mitsui. So the world is going to be a global trade. But today we not only talk about commercial, we not only talk about money, we not talk only about trade, but we talk about the 60-year relationship between both countries, Indonesia and Poland. We also like to improve on our cultural relationship between the two countries, because we know that culture only brings peace. And today, we will see a performance by an Indonesian artist with Polish artists together.
For me, it is really a great honor that I can speak in front of all of you. But my ambassador already limited my speech by saying that we are not talking about money, we are not talking about trade. But as Chamber of Commerce and Industry, this is my duty. So, otherwise, my man-hour all the way flying here will be, wasted. I'm not having that privilege like my ambassador, who can enjoy increasing trade, increasing investment, make the two countries closer, and still enjoying his hobby, music.
Szanowny Panie Ministrze, let me ask to speak in Polish. Szanowny Panie Ministrze, Szanowny Panie Ambasadorze,
Your Excellency Minister, Your Excellency Ambassador, distinguished guests from economic organizations and businessmen, ladies and gentlemen.
Pozwólcie wyrazić moje ogromne zadowolenie z udziału w tym dzisiejszym spotkaniu.
Let me extend my appreciation to the government of Poland and the Indonesian Embassy for organizing and inviting me to speak before this business luncheon. This meeting signifies long, successful friendship between Poland and Indonesia. I sincerely hope that it will continue to flourish over the years to come. everyone knows that we have the same flag color. However, you can see it is upside down. We also have the same word, tak. However, it has a conflicting meaning. Tak in Indonesia means no, while tak in Polish means yes. Although the color of our flag is upside down, and how we say tak has the contradictory meanings in Indonesia and Polish language, it could be a good sign for our relations as opposites attract. At least when it comes to magnetism. Indonesia is open and welcoming to the outside world. Let's do even more business together. Thank you very much.
Musim panas sepertinya agak berkurang sepertinya karena orang banyak keluar ini karena mungkin September barang-barang belum masuk fasilitasi untuk cepat.
Very big challenge because it's a very saturated market in Europe, and this Ground Coffee will be launched under the brand Kopi.
Yeah. Yes. Next. My name is Paweł Kuntsevich. I'm also representing the agriculture sector. We are the apple growers. That's the structure of export. The main export from Poland is going to Russia and Belarus. Unfortunately, Indonesia is not here. And I'm also sure when you taste Polish apple, you will like it better because of the very good taste and very nice climate that we have here in Poland.
Saya akan cek persoalan yang dihadapi oleh beliau tentang Indonesia.
Yeah.
Very good.
This is the first time for me to visit in Poland, and I'm really very good impression, and I already miss with this country. Tonight I will go back, then already miss with this country.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Excellency, saya pamit dulu nih. Terima kasih.
Kembali lagi, ku hibur diri, menekan asa bahwa ini hanya perasaan sesaat.
Indonesia.
Indonesia. And now Poland? Polandia.